control of dogs.
Right.
No, I like.
Well, just give me your phone and then I'll just look stuff up.
What was that?
No, he's telling my favorite song. I love that song. I can't hear.
Oh, wait.
Who?
I can't hook up to the aux.
You can't.
Why?
Did you tell
Because
my favorite?
I don't
Oh, we
have
gotta
a
have the little piece.
cord for my phone.
Ken lost mine.
Leslie,
Ma'am.
y'all like that song? Tell again, Lloyd.
It's Wale and called Chill.
Chill.
Everybody knows.
If I hear it, I probably
y'all
know
have
it.
to hook up to
But I don't like.
Because me and Lex don't have a
Y'all know?
We don't have a
the
thingy.
speaker thing.
Oh, you know?
a hole in our phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, got you.
Mama
We gotta have a piece, but Ken
Yeah.
took mine.
Mama has it.
Y'all
Yeah,
want
Mama
some
got hers.
gospel or R&B? Whatever. Hey, man.
Click your face. You know how I feel about that.
I did. Look.
Y'all sure you got air back there?
There you go. Yes, ma'am. Stop. Stop trying to do that.
What am I doing?
I'm looking at y'all.
Can you put this in the back?
Oh, wait. I forgot to grab some tissue.
For what?
I might put this.
Okay.
What happened to the chips?
You didn't even put on this
The eyelash ain't even on. I can see it. Like, you see it,
It
Jack?
is. The glue must have dried.
I don't like that glue.
Well, Lex, what happened to the chips?
To what?
The chips.
You the only one who's been moving. You didn't give me anything.
Yes, I did. I literally put it right here.
Yes. Honey, there's nothing nowhere.
Don't worry about that. Oh,
You sloppy.
Yes.
I hear something under there now.
Guys, why you didn't do cosmetology?
Look, Jess.
Something.
She don't need to do cosmetology.
I just did it for fun. I do Brie makeup. She got me to do her makeup for her prom and her school pictures Thursday.
Let me see that shoebox.
You ain't even put it on the eyelash.
She didn't? I'm gonna have my shades on mostly.
No, we need mascara to blend her real lashes in.
Yeah,
But
but
she said she
sometimes
didn't
you don't
have
have to.
Yeah, but you know what glue I usually use?
We use
Mine stay
hair,
on there.
black folks hair glue.
There you go.
Black hair glue.
And then that do the job.
That's why my lashes don't come on.
I learned that from one of y'all.
What's that tube? That gold tube in there?
Yeah,
What's that?
I think it's mascara.
Yeah, we need that.
That look like it'll do the job.
Yeah,
Oh
we
yeah,
need that.
girl. You need it now? I don't. Just put it down there. I'm about to drop the whole Did you box. check it?
I don't think we look like.
Check the door.
Like,
I
especially
did.
when I have makeup on, I don't think we do.
I did all that.
I can see why.
I don't see it at all.
You don't think we look alike? When you get older, you
Well,
will.
when I had that bun in, that picture we took when I had that bun in, I thought we did.
Well, come to find out, I don't even got a dad in my birth certificate.
What?
Okay, you being super dramatic.
I'm so serious. I had to go get a new birth certificate because I lost mine. The woman said, she said, well, you don't have a father as on your birth certificate. I said, what? She said, maybe at the time they weren't, I don't know, married or something. And I told Mama them. And Mama said, why nobody tell me this? I'm 22 years old.
Mama probably figured out.
That's
I don't know
sad.
that either.
Me either. Mama like,
Y'all buck up. Well, y'all one thing about it, you can always get it straightened out.
Huh?
Huh?
I don't know about that.
It's just, no? Are they gonna charge you for it? Cause that wasn't your fault. You didn't know. Y'all buck up. I got drinks in the back. Y'all want a drink now? Alexis, Jerry, y'all
Oh,
want
from
to
that
drink?
seat.
No, man, I'm good right now.
Okay. Y'all use the bathroom and everything? You ain't got to use it?
Mm-mm.
Where? You see my seatbelt?
Well, that must be.
That's what I thought. I think this
Oh,
is
okay.
That's the middle person. That's good. I like how they do
And
that.
she got an extra seat back there.
Oh, an extra seat?
Yeah.
She got, maybe she got 3 rows. Remember we saw her?
Oh. Cool.
Did you use my seatbelt?
Now look, how did I use your seatbelt?
Find mine.
I don't know where yours at.
Oh, you ain't no help.
All that butt. Need to stop eating jazz.
Hush.
Hey, now you getting thicker than me.
At least she eating now.
Now, yeah,
Hey.
and not sharing.
Ooh, you're young.
Hush. Now you know this a lot. You might as well just stop.
No, you're very stingy, very. And you get it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is. I had to beg you, honey, for.
No, but you.
I had to beg you yesterday for the burger.
No, because I already had told you to do it. You had used my necklace.
I don't know like that. They did yesterday. I just get put the trash in the back.
I like those. You see how thin those are?
Me too, but I kind of like the thick band.
Hey! No. I don't need you to do that. They don't know me. I had about 3 people call my name out here. I don't know
Wow.
what to do. I say, hey, how you doing? Oh,
Oh my God.
just wait till...
Hey.
Where they at? Are you over there?
Okay, let's move on. Photos.
I'm finna knock somebody out. Sam Hill.
I like those lashes.
I got to wash clothes tomorrow.
Yeah,
Hey, bye.
Put some glue at the end.
Why you didn't get no one while you got you one?
Still babies, baby.
I'm not getting these so much.
Oh my. Okay, stop trying to look at yourself. You still trying to do a little peek in there. Give her the whole thing and then get yours out.
I don't want to get mine out.
I'm talking about let LaJoy get hers out.
Just because I haven't took the top off that thing. The chips crushing.
Yeah. they still get whooping.
I'm looking around
I
like,
don't get
who?
no whooping.
You don't still get no whoopings.
I know what. See, I don't.
Are they
have-
twins, y'all? Are those twin sisters?
Right here.
Now let me get a
It
video.
was like a design.
Okay, hey, y'all.
Oh, wait, let me get mine too. Come on, LaJoy. I meant Nalisa and
Yeah,
Aileen.
Oh, hey. Are we on camera?
Yes, it's recording.
No. How are y'all?
Oh, I almost fell.
Oh, look at the duck, y'all. We could have took a picture with the duck. Oh, there's a...
Oh, there's a, I forgot what these things are called.
What was it?
One of them birds that be eating your food on the beach.
I should have bought some bread. They like mini bottle.
You trying to go to the city?
I saw some nice places we took photos at. We couldn't stop.
I want to go in there.
Me too.
That was creepy.
Oh, yes.
I bet you they went down there on Halloween, y'all.
I'll get
Oh,
motion.
no, wait.
I get motion sick.
Oh.
They flying and stuff.
They is flying.
It took me off. I was falling.
Turn left onto Broad Street.
Yes, ma'am. I sure will. So I need to get on those. I was like, what? Where the hell they come from? Turn left.
Take the next left onto 13th Street, then turn right onto Reynolds Street.
Okay, I can't do nothing now because the light is red, man. Go on up. Right there at the line. Oh, my God. I feel so lost. I feel lost.
I ain't never heard the song before.
Just said left. It said left on green arrow only. So if it turned green, I can't go. I have to wait on the arrow. This is so confusing. Oh my God.
Oh wow. Yelling house is about
Them y'all.
South Carolina, millions. Okay, no ma'am, we need to go to the river wall.
We gonna have to make it.
everybody riding bikes.
I guess this is a good road to ride bikes on.
Not turn around.
Welcome to South Carolina. What? How we just go? Yeah, we just got in Georgia.
Turn left onto
This North Augusta.
Left. I need to get on this side. You said turn left what?
North Augusta.
So we're gonna make a
Just
circle.
right here? I'm confused.
Little town. Little town, so cute.
Look at that. What is supposed to be?
Oh, I love that.
Salon.
Right.
All right.
Take the next left onto Bluff Avenue, then turn left onto Center Street.
Yes.
Well, they got a school up there. Jazz.
Oh yeah, my friend applied there. She had audition there.
Did she make it?
She don't know yet.
You said left, ma'am?
Me too.
Turn left, ma'am?
Take the next left onto Center Street, then turn right onto US 25 Business South.
Okay.
He's swerving in like that.
At least she won't be gone.
Now somebody else will do the demonstration. This is the art. Somebody else will get in and help. Somebody come on in.
Come on, me.
What kind of art is this? This looks like African. Yeah, but it looks like an African vibe. Just like West.
I thought it was some more places.
Okay, this is